In this video, I'm going to compare Zoho CRM versus Salesforce to help you choose the best option for your BPO or call center. In this video, I will be discussing three most important topics about this CRMs. The first one is ease of use, the second is CRM features for small businesses, and the third one is pricing to consider for both of the CRMs. This video is sponsored by Hara BPM, the fastest growing company in Bangalore. Zoho and Salesforce are comprehensive CRM softwares that include lead and contact management, sales opportunities, reporting, and team management features. Zoho is the best for small businesses that want a CRM that's easy to use immediately, while Salesforce is a better fit for bigger businesses with larger budgets. This is a complex CRM which requires more training to your employees to use as per your needs. Now, starting with the first parameter to compare these CRMs, that is the number one, ease of use. Zoho CRM with its clean layout, modular approach is easier to use and configure. The current Zoho CRM UI is easily navigable and you can effortlessly filter your data based on potential amount, potential stage, closing date, country, and number of other parameters. In short, it feels like Zoho has done their proper research on how sales representatives need to view their data. The learning curve is much simpler, so it is easy to get a hang of CRM very quickly. Now, when it comes to Salesforce, the UI of default Salesforce is comparatively not as user-friendly as Zoho. Salesforce has various features, but it's little complex to navigate in the beginning. You will need to ensure that your representatives get proper training on CRM usage by professionals. Hey, if you're getting some value from this video, can you give a thumbs up and press the subscribe button? Now, the second point to discuss is features. Both Salesforce and Zoho CRM are robust systems and they have variety of features for all sizes of businesses. While their basic CRM functionalities like lead management, account management are similar, I was more interested in seeing the additional features they bring to the table. Now, when it comes to small businesses or contact centers, I like to consider these features on topmost priority. The number one feature is telephony or call dialing. Now, when it comes to Zoho, Zoho Phone Bridge allows to make inbound, outbound calls from Zoho CRM, get reminders, and add call details during the call. Now, when it comes to Salesforce, Salesforce helps you to manage inbound and outbound calls to prospects directly from Salesforce. It also helps to set reminders and automatically create phone logs. The second feature I like is automation or workflows. Now, when it comes to Zoho CRM helps you to automate workflow procedures and set up automatic email replies to your leads. Workflows helps you to generate prospects appointments and maximize sales or get clients. Now, when we discuss Salesforce, this CRM helps you to set workflows with workflow rules to perform various activities like sending email alerts and updating records. Process Builder feature helps you to create whole process in one place with point and click rather than using multiple workflow rules. The third feature I like is social insights. When we discuss about Zoho Social helps to gauge customer engagement across your social media channels and helps you to schedule your post. One brilliant use is set your Facebook post by location and schedule them to go live at the same time of the day in different time zones. Now, when we discuss about Salesforce, this CRM helps you to pull your customers' social content to understand what they are saying about your products or services and give you more insights. Now, the third comparison parameter is pricing. Pricing is a major aspect why many organizations are opting for Zoho CRM instead of Salesforce. Let's look at the reason why they are choosing this. Now, when we discuss about the Zoho CRM pricing, Zoho CRM has 4 editions: Standard, Professional, Enterprise, and Ultimate, starting from $12 to $100, which is monthly pricing per user. Their most popular plan is the Enterprise plan, priced at $35 with monthly pricing for a single user. Now, when we discuss about Salesforce pricing, Salesforce Sales Cloud has 4 editions: Salesforce IQ Starter, Lightning Professional, Lightning Enterprise, and Lightning Unlimited. Their price starts from $25 to $300 for a single user when it comes to monthly pricing. Their enterprise edition, priced at $150, is preferred by most of the businesses. So what is the conclusion? When it comes down to choosing the right CRM solution for your company, the first and foremost focus should be on the budget, workflow, and needs of your business. If you are new to the CRM and want an easy to use cloud CRM solution, then the best pick for you is Zoho. They offer attractive pricing and they are also cheaper than Salesforce. In case if you have a hefty usage and need advanced CRM software with lots of features, then Salesforce is a better option for you. But Zoho is not far behind. It offers enough features to assist you with your CRM needs. Now you can make the decision based on your business needs. If you are considering to increase sales pipeline and get BPM support for your business, I will recommend you considering Hara BPM. Hara BPM is the fastest growing company based in Bangalore. This company can help you in cost efficiency, process optimization, and to improve the top and bottom line of the business. In this video, I explain you the difference between Zoho and Salesforce CRM and how it will be helpful for your BPO or call center business. The CRMs will help you to automate the sales process and get you clients for your business. If you want to watch the entire playlist about client acquisition, then make sure to click here on this link. In this video, I will take your leave and I will see you in the next one.